Welcome back to another LevelMaster's video. Today we're joined with Jeff to run through the dog clamp kit. So Jeff, what is a dog clamp kit and how's it used?
Well, this is said dog clamp kit. Not sure why they actually call it a dog clamp, but that's what the industry calls it, and we'll go along with that. It is used in conjunction with our standard connectors, and this gets screwed down into the connector and is adjustable as per any normal stump. However, the fixing part now can either be connected to an I-beam or a C-column, and then just gets tensioned up through this 16mm structural bolt here. It's a pretty easy connection. It's fully certified and gets very popular with things like transportable buildings and things like that. No welding required, as you can see, and then can be dismantled if the building's going to be moved at a later time down the track. So that's our dog clamp. Pretty simple product, but a very effective one.
What's that you have there in your hand, Jeff?
Yeah, look, this is a product that's really proved popular in the past. So it's called our heavy duty bracket, and as you can see, it's got a slotted hole here, very similar to the adjuster top here, the ES top. 12mm clearance hole in the bottom. Now, people use this for all sorts of applications, but being made out of 10mm structural steel, it's a really strong bracket, hence the heavy duty name. So use it for whatever application you like. People sometimes mount it this way or this way. But yeah, it's a hot dip galvanised product, ready to go, and we have these available for you at any time.
Okay, well thanks for running us through those couple of products there, Jeff.
That's a pleasure. Thanks, Lockie.